Okay guys, top 10 kesilapan compression. Over compress dekat master bass. Before we start, better clarify dulu apa tu master bass. This section. So because different door, they got different name. Cubase, Fruity Loops, we just call it master bass. Kataan bass dalam mixing, dalam audio basically meaning beberapa track 1, 2, 3, 4 kita gabungkan masuk ke satu tempat. Tempat yang tu final tu ialah bass. Imagine bass bawa banyak student atau penumpang bass. Overcompress dekat master bass ialah something yang very common, selalu berlaku. It's always happen on beginners. Like masa kita mula-mula mixing, even me, masa I first year or first 6 month mixing, memang my master bass I always over compress. Let me show you. Okay, apa yang typically selalunya berlaku? I have no idea dulu. I don't know what is pressure. Dia lagi teruk. Okay, yang paling teruk threshold. When you salah setting threshold, a lot of bad things akan berlaku. This is a result of dulu, example, myself, how I overcompress dekat master bass. Kita overcompress dekat master bass, result dia sangat teruk. Yang almost macam kita main Counter Strike, it's almost like double kill. So the damage is double, triple. So macam ni, the theory is. So biasanya kita mix, okay, snare drum, gitar, vocal, everything. Bila kita dah siap, kita nak buat yang satu macam finalize. Adalah agak the temptation untuk try to repair everything here ataupun dengan satu plugin, we harap we do something and then the whole mix akan jadi better. So that temptation, the temptation in BM is what? Temptation is godaan. We tweak some setting and then we compare it. Oh, my mix become punchier. Sound messed up. Not worth it. Master bass, the effect of this compressor akan affect the whole song. Okay, first tips, if you're not sure, if you tak tahu kenapa perlu ada compressor di sini, so jangan letak. If you're not sure what you're doing at this stage, the philosophy, falsafahnya ialah we letak compressor, we letak EQ because we need it. Kita letak bila kita tahu kita perlukan. What do we mean by overcompress? On a master bass, if you compress more than 2 and 4 gain reduction, you doing it too much. Okay, let's try some more. Okay, again. When you double click this number on a GR, dia akan reset back to 0. Okay. About 2.5. Okay, maksudnya kompresor ni tengah compress sebanyak 2 dB, 2.5 dB. Okay. Again, agak selamat, which is boleh diterima. Okay, next. What if you dah follow the rules, you get reduction selepas 2 jam on the compressor and then you compare on bypass on. What if the masalah yang tadi belum solve? Before compress, you rasa the snare drum is not right, it's too loud. Just keep on mengacau the vocal. Okay, you letak compress. Masalah, kalau selepas compress, the mix still tak sounds like what you want. Masalah yang sebelum ni masih kekal, masih wujud. Stop dulu, go back to the mixing. We go back to the mixing. So, lagu yang sama. snare drum, go to the mixer. Okay. 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 Then try to repair dekat sini. You can experiment dekat sini. Okay. Okay. Apa conclusionnya? Kesimpulan untuk kelas hari ini. Kompresor bukan magic. Boleh tolong kita buat banyak kerja. Tapi kompresor tak dapat tiba-tiba menyelamatkan seluruh lagu. We have to make sure our track betul dari masa record, dari masa mixing. Sepatutnya solve most of the problem or all of the problem. Kedua, master bus compressor, compressing dekat master bus bukan satu tempat yang untuk kita menyelamatkan kita punya mix. Jangan over compress. Jaga the GR meter with the gain reduction meter. If you need to gain reduction more than 3, 4, 5, maksudnya you doing something wrong. So stop, go back to the mixing. Okay, so see you guys next time on the next episode. Okay, happy mixing. Happy mixing. Happy mixing.